Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to prevent someone from following you on Instagram. This is a great way to control who has access to your content and ensure that you're only sharing with people you trust. Here are the steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. 2. Tap or click the person icon. For mobile users, this is in the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Tap or click the followers option. This should be to the right of your profile image. 4. Click or tap a follower you want to delete. This will take you to their profile, from which you can block them. 5. Tap on the 3 dots menu. 6. Click or tap the block user option. 7. Click or tap yes, I'm sure. By following these simple steps, you can easily prevent someone from following you on Instagram. This means that they won't be able to see your posts or stories, and they won't receive notifications when you post new content. It's important to remember that blocking someone on Instagram is a serious step, and should only be taken if you feel that someone is harassing you or making you feel uncomfortable. If you simply want to remove someone as a follower, you can also choose to remove them manually from your followers list. And that's it. Those are the steps to preventing someone from following you on Instagram. It's a simple and easy process that can give you more control over your profile and ensure that you're only sharing with people you trust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.